this conference I tau sala ia tau whai i Matangi. Ia peo tō sila fio le tau whata setu lumenei ma le Chief Executive Officer le Digital Samoa, le naming rights sponsor lea le Miss Samoa, whata sia i ma le fio ngan tau sala ia tau whai le Matangi Litara Ieremia-Allan. Ia la atu le wanoni ia tau sala mo lana Samoa. Ai le I tu atu le tau sala e au tu fai do ni si vai na mo le no sila fia tato media na ni fa lava ia fesili le atu le tato seno tu sala fai me tu fesili ai mo ni si vai na fi manga oi fai se one on one im fai ala fa ki mo pe o male onga e ai ni se tu tu ni fi a wai tu da fi o le fo ia le polisi fa se fo ima yo ia tu fai dem ta yeah, over to you tau sala.
Hello Falava and good afternoon everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, members of the media and of course our own Samoa. It's an absolute honour to be here today as the new CEO of Digicel Samoa. My name is Carl Vasvari and I'm excited to be part of this Digicel Samoa family and this incredible community. Digicel has been deeply rooted in Samoa for many years, and as a leading telecommunications provider, we take immense pride in supporting initiatives that celebrate the very essence of Samoan culture, values and people. One such initiative that stands close to our hearts is the Miss Samoa pageant. Today we come together to celebrate an extraordinary individual who has captured the hearts of Samoa and beyond. Miss Samoa, Litara-Allan, has been a beacon of grace, intelligence and cultural pride, representing Samoa with unwavering dedication. On behalf of Digicel Samoa, I want to extend our warmest congratulations to Litara for her achievements so far and wish her every success as she prepares to represent Samoa at the 2025 Miss Pacific Islands pageant in the Solomon Islands. As a major sponsor of Miss Samoa, we are incredibly proud to stand alongside Litara and Ieremia Productions on this journey. Supporting the Miss Samoa pageant is not just about sponsorship, it's about celebrating the unique culture and traditions of Samoa and empowering women to be leaders and ambassadors of this beautiful nation. This partnership is a reflection of our commitment to the people and community of Samoa, and we are thrilled to continue this collaboration in the year ahead. Together, we aim to inspire and uplift the voices that truly matter, the voices that carry Samoa's pride, identity and vision into the future. Miss Samoa Litara-Allan, as you embark on this exciting journey to represent Samoa on the international stage, know that you carry with you the hopes and pride of the entire nation. On behalf of Digicel Samoa, we wish you the very best of luck. We are confident that you will shine as a true ambassador of Samoa, showcasing not just your incredible talents, but also the richness of the Samoan culture and the warmth of its people. Thank you all, and I look forward to seeing Miss Samoa bring home another moment of pride to Samoa. Whawhatea lava lava. Thank you.
Io mi spazione là. Io ho le termini tu atu io ne vanno io tanto to start no tanto facili. Na ole fala o facili la tu atu e fai mai io pure la o ai mo na to. Te start io ne vanno e a be fia fagnata ni a to one-on-one session ma to sala lei. Ma lo falo la fa sai
Hi Lisa, I know there are 8 contestants for the pageant. We will be vying for the title, and you are one of them. What are your expectations for the upcoming pageant?
I expect it to be highly competitive. I think this year's other contestants are not only beautiful, but they're very intelligent, and their expertise spans all across different areas. So one thing that we've been really preparing for is to have knowledge in all aspects. That some girls are really well versed in IT, some in their culture, indigenous cultures, others in education and law. So one thing that I've been challenged to do is make sure that I'm well versed in all topics. Other than that, I think it's a great opportunity to represent sisterhood to our young women. I think one thing that I hope that we will do as contestants is show young girls that you can compete, but you can also treat others with respect and dignity and love. And so I'm very excited for the journey.
Your preparations found really on in terms of your traditional way, your talent, preparing yourself more for singing. How's it going?
Thank you, David, for receiving. Miss Samoa is a wonderful opportunity that prepares you well for Miss Pacific. I think the judge categories span from our traditional wear to talent to interview questions. But since the Miss Samoa pageant, we've been preparing. Our traditional wear is looking beautiful. I think it's got a beautiful story to tell. That's very personal for me and for Samoa. well as all of their productions. It's been a real unified effort, which makes overcoming challenges a lot easier.
Are you ready?
I'm
The Leilani specific audience is in this song. What's the number one advice you received from them?
Our Fiona 14 number one has been a wonderful mentor to me. I think there have been lots of pieces of advice she shared with me, but I think like anything, we look at how people walk the talk. And I think one thing that she's kind of shared to me is that you need to be yourself. And you need to also represent our country well. So very grateful to follow the footsteps and try to authentically be myself as well as showcase Samoa to the Pacific.
Last question from the morning, Mark.
Litara, Samoa currently votes for the specific crown. President of this week, if you are to be crowned the next Miss Pacific, how will you using the crown to promote Samoa also Pacific? How would you be using the platform?
Wonderful question. My background is working with young people, so young people would be at the forefront. I think we've got a lot of projects and initiatives that are going to be taking place once we get married. So the thematic areas will be related around that. But I think using the platform, one thing that's always in my mind is that with the social media generation, we need our young people to know what it looks like to be engaged citizens, not just about being what I look like, about me, but about how can I take initiative, how can I be engaged in what's happening in Samoa. So I'm excited for that to extend to the regional level if God willing.
Yeah, Antonio, there was Antonio, but see, we're going to talk so press conference later. Olha, so you tell me, você pode fazer more parabéns. Conhecida digital Samoa. Mulher se foi lá na faculdade dele. E a última fiola e ali mas mais sai sala muito fácil não é muito for o que sei ni. Eu tell sa pai foi eu sei foi wala o dia do se na na nafi. Eu te não fa uma editor press conference mo ila to no fia fania la to one questions. Logo no better sa ya foi interview. But le fa uma editor fa tai tele mo leva no se como man ele asa.